Hi, friends! Today we learn the letter K. Are you ready? Let's go. K. K. Kitten. K is for kitten. Kitten. K. K. Koala. K is for koala. Koala. K. K. Kite. K is for kite. Kite. K. K. Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K. K. Kiwi. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. K. K. King. K is for king. King. Great job! You learned the letter K. See you next time on Deno's Academy. Bye-bye!